Нека да направим shadowing на Cloud9. Сега ще се опитам да правя нещо, което не съм правила сега, да shadowing-вам на филм без субтитри. Така че, let's go. Тази част не съм правила на тази част shadowing, доста към края, но може да си избирате. В принцип трябва да си избереш един от образите и shadowing-ваш само него, така е по-лесно, защото само следиш неговите думи, иначе става малко по-объркано. В началото аз съм правила така, ако е филм, примерно. Ще ви покажа друг как shadowing-вам само на текст, което е по-лесно, отколкото така с диалози. Но съм shadowing-вала и двата образа, примерно, когато има диалог, става много объркано. Затова е по-лесно само един образ. По-трудно е, когато няма субтитри. Това осъзнах. Да правиш shadowing така. Не ми е все още силата, наскоро започнах да тренирам ума си така.
I think I just need to take a break.
I think I just need to take a break. I think I just need to take a break.
Maybe get some food.
Maybe get some food.
Get my energy back.
Okay.
And my energy came back. What?
I'm getting this, right?
I'm getting this right.
Yeah. You just gotta get that grab.
Okay, great. Are you coming?
Are you coming?
I'll catch up with you.
Okay, great. Are you coming?
But if Kayla's, she can handle it.
She can handle it.
I'm not talking about her.
I'm talking about her.
I'm talking about you.
I'm talking about you.
It's bad enough to Cloud9 into your career. But if Kayla doesn't pull it off and she gets hurt, I'll be on you. Did you see that?
Did you see that?
That trick
That trick
Kayla's working on. What is it?
Kayla's working on. What is that?
That?
That's the Cloud9.
That's the Cloud9.
She can't actually pull
She can actually...
that off.
What?
She can't actually pull that off.
She can actually fool at all? What? This is so difficult. You said you can beat her.
You said you could beat her.
You said you can beat her.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And you said she was a pampered princess with no talent. But you were wrong.
but you're wrong. But you're wrong. No, you were wrong, but you're wrong. Shadowing, това е да се опитваш максимално добре, да правиш тази свързана реч, като те правят, да свързваш думите. Просто да повтаряш максимално близко до тях, за да нямаш акцент, примерно, ако не искаш да имаш. Така че максимално близко до тях. But you're wrong. Като примерно, have you ever had a hamster? Have you ever had a hamster? Have you ever had a hamster? Have you ever had a hamster?
That girl can ride.
How I said before, you have to pick one person and to shadow his words, okay? Right now I'm shadowing many, but
You're hesitating.
you're hesitating.
I can see you.
I can see you in your turns. I can see you in your turns. I can see you in you're hesitating. I can see you in your turns. Okay,
You know the moves, but you're not
you know the moves,
attacking.
but you're not done.
That's it.
That's it.
We're out of time and you're just not ready.
What? You're not ready?
No. We're out of time and you're just not ready.
It's not time. You're not ready. It's not your time.
We're out of time and you're just not ready.
It's not your time.
Are you giving up on me?
Are you giving up on me? Are you giving up on me? Are you giving up on me?
We're out of time and you're just not ready.
Right at time. No.
Are you giving up on me?
Are you giving up on me?
Giving up on me?
Are you giving up on me?
I'm not going to teach you this move.
I can teach you this move
Watch you.
just to watch you how. But
That's not true.
that's not true.
I mean, things are so different now.
I mean, things are so different now. I mean, things are so different now. How? I'll repeat again.
Yeah, we're done. I need to stop wasting.
I need to stop wasting my time with guys who don't believe in me.
We're done.
За мен е много важно да се науча да правя тази свързана реч, като те имат. Нали, да не говоря постоянно I need to go there. А да бъда I need to go there. You know? I'm in this in 100%. I'm in this in 100%.
And I don't care if Nick
I don't care for Nick or my dad
or anyone else thinks
or anyone else who
fire nice. Or my dad.
you look happy to see me. Yeah.
Blame me?
You blame me?
No, I can.
Give me a second.
Kayla,
Kayla,
you don't look happy to see me.
you look happy to see me.
Blame
Yeah?
me?
Can you blame me? Can you
No,
blame
I
me?
can't.
You look happy. You don't look happy to see me. You look happy to see me. Yeah.
Blame me?
Can you blame me?
No, I can't.
No, I
That's
can't.
what I want to talk to you about.
That's what I want to talk about.
Listen.
Uh-huh.
And that's what I want to talk
And that's what I
to you
want.
about. Listen.
And that's what I want to talk about with you.
Listen. No, I can't. And that's what I
And that's what I want.
want to talk to you about.
And that's what I want to talk. And that's what I want. And that's what I want. That's what I want to talk about.
Listen.
That's what I want to talk about you about.
I know you-
Talk to you about. That's what I want to talk to you about. And that's what I want to talk to you about. And that's what I want to talk to you about. Talk to you. That's what I want to talk to you about.
And that's what I want to talk to you about. Listen.
And that's what I want to talk to you about. And that's what I want to talk to you about.
I owe you an apology.
I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. Apology. An apology. I owe you an apology.
I owe you an apology. I should never.
I
kick
should
you
never
off the
kick you off. I should never kick you off from Swift Team.
I mean, I'm man enough to admit I made a mistake.
Are you serious?
What about Will?
But what about Will and our team?
But what about Will?
What about? Look at no. What about? What about? Something like that. What about Will and our team?
Please.
But what about Will
Oh, and our team.
and our team?
Please.
Oh please.
Let's talk about that after fire.
Let's talk about this after Fire
Right
Night.
now, this is about you.
It's about you.
Whether you want to be part of a team that's going to put you on the map as the most well-known female boarder on the national circuit. Switch though to admit I made a mistake, and I'm just hoping to give me another chance. Think about it.
Think about it.
Okay? I hope you make the right decision.
I hope you make a right decision. I hope you make a right decision. I hope you make a right decision. I hope you make a right decision. Oof. Okay. What you guys think? What you guys think?
Yeah, he's right. Forecast calls victory straight up.
Where's Kayla?
Where's Kayla? Where's Kayla? Where is Kayla? Where's Kayla?
I think I can help you.
I think I can help you. I think I can help you. I think I can help you with that. I'm here. Oh, hey, this is so difficult for me. Hey.
Hey, there you are.
Oh, here you are.
So last season.
So
You're gonna regret that.
the uniform came just in time.
Sorry, but it's gonna take a whole lot more than a new uniform to get rid of me. Oh, they came just in time.
The uniforms came just in time. Came?
Came just in time.
The uniform came just in time.
I give you
the Kayla Morgan's design.
I give you
I give
the
you
Kayla Morgan
place.
spot to watch.
Now we are going to find a good spot to watch. Okay, we are going to find good spot to watch. Okay, we are going to find Okay, we are going to find. Okay, we are going to find a good spot.
Alright, we're gonna go find
Alright, we are going to find a good
a
spot.
good spot to...
Okay, we are going to find. Okay, we are going to find. Okay, we are going to find a good.
My fault for taking a year off.
No bad, we're taking a year off. No bad, we're taking a year off.
Solid run. I'm gonna go find Kayla.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a heroic effort from Kayla Morgan, our final competitor.
Competitor.
But it's gonna take an
Final competitor.
possibly perfect.
Kayla,
Kayla? Dad?
I owe you an apology.
I owe you an apology.
When I saw you up there tonight,
When I saw you, I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. No apologize. I owe you an apology. When I saw
up
you
there tonight,
up there, when I saw you up there tonight. When I saw you up there tonight, I realized
how much I underestimated.
how much I can underestimate you.
Sorry. When I saw you up there tonight, I realized how
I
much
realized-
I underestimated.
Underestimated you. How much I underestimated you. I realized how much I underestimated you.
Sorry for that.
Sorry for that. I'm really grown
I
up.
couldn't be more proud of you.
I couldn't be more proud of you. How is father supporting his daughter? His daughter is a bad thing. His daughter. How is bad? Father supporting his daughter.
All that sappy fatherly pride is going to take the edge off her right before she drops in. That's going to help us.
How's a father supporting his daughter?
How is the father supporting his daughter?
Or bad?
How's
How's a father support?
the father supporting his daughter?
Supporting his daughter or bad?
Daughter. Даже когда я произнесу. I have to look how to pronounce this word because it's so difficult right now. How's father supporting his daughter is bad thing. Oh, come on, bro. From this movie, I learned something. Nothing is impossible. For real. And the pressure Kayla must be feeling. I can imagine the pressure Kayla must be feeling. Must be feeling? No fear.